everyone, this is Moni with TrubeautyGlamz coming back to you with another video. This video is going to be business edition, business tips, business, all about business. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss no more of my videos. Also hit the notification bell. So today I'm coming to you because I have just purchased a compact color printer, and I needed it because I have just made a hair oil, and this hair oil has spirulina in it, which is a sea algae, and it has all of the Ayurvedic hair herbs and hemp oil seed and everything like that. It has over 37 nutrients, herbs and oils, and also has sea moss in it as well to make your hair grow. So I purchased this because I wanted my labels to be colored. So I had first I bought the Fomimo, and I purchased the Fomimo printer, but I noticed that the Fomimo printer, it was not colored. So I was like, oh, I don't want that. I like my labels to be colored. I create my labels on Canva, and I've already created it. So I'm just unboxing now to see exactly what we got. I got this off of Amazon. It was about I think it was $150. The Fomimo one was like $84. So I was like, well, I would get this one because it's a color printer. It does not use ink or toner. And so I'm pretty excited about this little compact label printer. So it comes with the printer. This is the printer. And this is the Brother VC-500W. I'll put the link in the description if anyone is interested in it. This is the roll cassette. So this is the tape right here that you get. So you get the tape. You get a plug that goes into I guess that goes into this, and then you also get a USB port, and you also get a wall plug. So you get all of that. Then what is this right here? Okay, this might be the paper. Okay, I think this is the paper. This says cleaning cassette. So again, I'm unboxing this for the first time with y'all. Here's the user's guide. And I'm gonna put that in here. And it came, I ordered it 2 days ago, and I have Amazon Prime, so it came in like 2 days. And I'm excited because I have an order that I have to fulfill, and I was like, well, I need to make some pretty labels for my Ayurvedic hair oil, which is called True Gem Wonder Oil, and that can be found on my website, TrubeautyGlamz, TrubeautyGlamz. So I'm just gonna start hooking it up. I just wanted to just show y'all because, like I said, I saw the Fomimo video, and I have to figure out how to do it though. So I'm just gonna voice over this part because I didn't know how to hook the thing up. I felt like I was slow, and then I realized that I had to like hook the cord up into the box and everything like that. And I'm also gonna show exactly how I used it. And I had to like pretty much stop the video because I don't have a camera to record my videos. I'm using my phone to record my videos, and I had to use my phone to like download the app and everything like that. So I'm gonna do a side by side, just showing how you like how it prints or whatever, which I just use Canva and just uploaded the picture because you can upload pictures onto the app and everything like that, and I just printed what I did from Canva, but I did it a different way the second time. But I had to order 2-inch papers because this was a 1-inch paper that comes with the machine. So I just ordered a 2-inch paper that will be coming tomorrow, but I was able to kind of like put 2 papers together and kind of like spread it open, and it came out really good, the final product and how it really looks on my product. So I just wanted to just come on and just do a voiceover just to show y'all, like, I had some struggles. I'm gonna pretty much fast forward this, and we're just gonna get to the rest of the video. So this is the pull tag. So I'm unpulling this part. So it says, insert the roller set into the slot at the back of your label printer until it locks in place. Okay, so that goes here. So I take this one out. This is the cleaning cassette, and I put this one in, and it has like, okay, let's see. It has like some green where it looks like it connects. Okay, so it's in. So it's making some noise again. So here's something that came out again. Let's see. I'm keep on reading, y'all. Okay, so it did something. I really love that it's so small. That's what I like the most. Insert the roll cassette into the slot. The label printer ejects a small piece of paper when each roll cassette is used for the first time to complete the loading process. When the loading is complete, the cassette button LED stops blinking and remains lit. Okay, that's what's going on now. So I had to record my screen. I set everything up. It works now. The only thing is I need to see if they have bigger pieces of paper than this. So this is the size that the label comes out as. Like I said, I created my labels on Canva. So what I might do is just have to like redo it over or something, or make it bigger where the words are a little bit bigger. I'm just gonna put this on my product, and it's gonna put it here because I gotta get ready to ship this out. And then I have the ingredients and everything on the back, but like I said, I may have to like redo this over, but for the purpose of the video. And as you see, it's colored, and I'm just gonna just continue to put the back part on. I should have it upside down. But I like I definitely like the, okay, I can do it. I definitely like the I definitely like this thing. It's like if I had like my body butters or whatever. But yeah, what I probably will do is just make another one or something. But I'm gonna be looking to see if I can find like this is a 1-inch. I'm gonna see if I can find maybe a 2-inch paper. So I'm getting ready to go back on Amazon and see if I can find like a 2-inch paper. So what I'm doing now is just sharing my screen, just showing y'all the actual color label app, and pretty much how you can just download a picture, upload a picture from your phone or whatever, and you can print it. So I'm just showing y'all exactly how it is and how I achieved my label. I created my label off of Canva, and as you see, I'm just spreading it bigger. Tomorrow I will have wouldn't have to do that because I have my 2-inch, but because this is a 1-inch, I had to kind of improvise. But I was able to like spread the words bigger where you can actually see the ingredients, and you can actually read what the ingredients are and everything like that. It looks really professional. And pretty much I'm just showing y'all the app, and I would really suggest anybody to go and purchase this Brother VC-500W. No, it's not sponsored or anything like that. I just really enjoyed using this printer. It's very, very nice, and it's very easy, and it's very compact and everything like that. So just continue just watching. I'm just showing it's printing now, and yeah. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and always remember to keep God first. Until next time, love y'all, smooches.